What's up, boys? Today I've got you on a spoon mic. So, I actually just started making this video and then had to restart it because I didn't have my mic set up. But, as I was saying previously, next week I think I might run a little shave my head if I lose a trade sort of thing. Something to motivate me to win a trade because I've been trading like shit this week. So I think I might just start doing like crazy challenges for myself. If I lose a trade, I have to shave my head, run a half marathon, streak through a primary school. I don't know. We'll just come up with some crazy ideas and like make some funny stuff happen. But coming into the day on EU, I want to be bullish. But the problem is, this is the only one that I actually want to be bullish on. We've come down, we've filled in this daily imbalance, and all my weekly bias is that I want to see us come up and fill this imbalance here. So everything's looking good for longs here. We've actually just inversed this 1 hour bearish fair value gap here as well. So it's looking really good. Ideally, I think I'd see some sort of continuation confluence form, like a fair value gap, get a dip back in and then take longs. We have really good buy side liquidity as well. I mean, look at that. That is it's liquidity for the taking, and I think this could be a really good setup. However, jumping across onto GU, we have not filled in our daily imbalance whatsoever. This was the only sort of bearish move we had. We are still seriously overextended on that daily time frame. I believe the 4 hour as well. Yeah, the 4 hours just chop. You look at that, it looks disgusting. So obviously the pound is doing some crazy stuff, and that's the only problem with me looking for a long-term long on EU, is that I don't know if I can't see GU moving higher without seeing some sort of bearish movement first, and we just didn't really get that. The only reason that I would be okay with taking a long on EU is because we also just inversed this 1 hour bearish fair value gap on GU, indicating to me that we are going to go bullish because we've disrespected all sort of bearish hourly confluence. Now, the only problem with this as well is we have just had a daily sweep of liquidity here, so that's how I'm marking my sweep. Swept out this high here, and then we started getting legs down on 4 hour time frame. We just didn't really get anything. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's just not looking good on GU, and obviously we don't even have any sort of buy side liquidity to target. We have this high here, but other than that, we've already taken it out. So if you just take a look at this, GU looks like that, obviously, and then EU looks like that. Completely different charts that we're looking at, and it's making it really hard for me to sort of form a bias. Now, I can't lie, I think longs is going to be the play. GJ has just come down and swept out this low here. If we can get a reaction off of this, that's another confirmation that we're going to go bullish on EU, just because all the pairs are aligned. If we were to get a bullish confirmation here, it would give you a lot more confidence that EU is going to be a long sort of play. EJ, what are we doing here? We've actually just come down and swept lows as well. So the Japanese yen is looking like we could present bullish structure. It's just the pound. The pound's not looking good, man. And EJ is also looking bullish. We did come down and we filled in this imbalance here as well. So overall, I think the euro is carrying this. We came down into equilibrium, we filled in this, and now if we can get some sort of reaction here, I think that the euro pairs are going to do quite well today. So that's sort of what I'm looking at now. I think I would rather take the trade on EU just because this clears. I mean, if we can get some sort of retracement looking like that, that clears. That's going to be a really nice looking trade to take, and I'll be pretty confident in that. EJ, yeah, once again, we got good draws to the upside. We have these highs here. We have these. They're pretty much relative equal highs. And I don't know. You can see just looking at this, the euro pairs are looking a lot better. They've already come down. They've made their retracement, and now I think we're due for that movement up. Not so sure about the British pound pairs tonight. To be fair, I am just going to stay away from them because they're not looking nice. But that is exactly what I'm looking at tonight. Best of luck for you boys in the charts, and hopefully we can catch a little dub. I've lost 2 trades running. Last night I got absolutely reamed. I lost a trade. I got stopped out by 0.1 pips before my TP1 and TP2 got hit, so I lost 500 instead of making 1.5k. But it is what it is, and yeah, we're just looking to make that back today. So peace and love, good luck tonight, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.